Hey guys, today we are going to put the screen protector on. This might be a challenge. I have not a good track with this. For some reason, every time that I put a screen protector on a phone or on a tablet, there is always one dust particle getting between. But let's try it. So first of all, I clean my hands. They are not greasy. Let's do the same with the film protector and with the Lumi, so that we have a nice start to put it on. So first of all, I start with cleaning tissues in alcohol on board to remove every possible grease stain. Probably from my fingers. So I hope. Okay, let's try to dry it because there is a lot of alcohol on it. Okay, it starts to look nice. Just to be sure, I'm also going to do this with the back. And then the sides. Okay. Let's dry it. Okay, all the sides. And once more the front. Just to be sure. Okay. So there should be nothing on it now. Okay. Now let's do the same for the screen protector. And then we'll try to put it on. Oh no, for some reason there is a stain on it. Oh fucking hell, how did I do this? See this? Oh, I have a bit, yeah. Here. I need to remove it. It's from the other side, from the blue side. As you can see, there is a blue side and there is a red side. I will explain it immediately what the difference is and what's written on it. But peel off this mask before application. So, okay, the red side is the part that you need to peel off, which means that the blue side is the actual part that we will put on the screen. Okay, let's do the same as we did with the tablets. We dry,